Hey folks, this is Watson with 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Sea Eagle 370 Pro 3-person inflatable portable sport kayak. Comes with paddles. It's got about 900 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.3 out of 5 stars, and has the Amazon's Choice endorsement for touring kayaks. You can also get it through Amazon Prime, and that means free shipping. Very nice. This kayak is a 3-person model with a 650-pound weight capacity. The kayak itself weighs 32 pounds and is suitable for up to Class 3 whitewater. Intense. The 370 Deluxe Kayak Package features 2 movable, super comfortable Deluxe Kayak Seats for improved back support, and 2 paddles, a foot pump, and a carrying bag. The paddles are 7'10" 4-part paddles with asymmetrical blades and aluminum shafts, and there are 2 skegs on the bottom for better tracking and speed. It also has an open and closed drain valve and 5 deluxe one-way inflation/deflation valves. And don't let the lightweight fool you at 32 pounds. It's a rugged kayak rated to hold 3 people or 650 pounds. And it's nice because they pack to a fraction of their inflatable size and can be carried almost anywhere there's water and set up in less than 10 minutes. And they're fun for beginners and experienced paddlers alike. The lightweight design and efficient hull shape, these kayaks are swift paddling boats and they're easy to handle for everyone. And now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. Surprisingly rigid when fully inflated and feels very stable in lakes and rivers, even with motorboat wakes and moderate winds. Pro seats are comfortable, solid, and recommended. Can make good progress into the wind or current, but it's definitely not quite as fast as a rigid hull. The longer 370 model has decent legroom for 2 average height adults. Because it's inflatable, there isn't much stowage under the splash covers in the bow and stern. Taking 2 adults and camping gear in this might be a challenge, but certainly seems possible. As an inflatable, the real win is convenience. With a bit of practice and a low-pressure battery air pump to fill the bulk of the air, you can unpack and inflate and be ready for launching in 5 minutes. Same for deflation and packing. It's great being able to throw it in the trunk of a small car. So there you go, the Sea Eagle 370 Pro 3-person inflatable portable kayak with paddles. Order yours today on Amazon Prime. Remember, that means free delivery. Nice. I think you're gonna love it, and your friends are gonna love it too.